Okay, y'all, it's out. It's ready. Got my little breadcrumbs. My little breadcrumbs on the top. It's still bubbling a little bit, as y'all can see. I'm about to let it cool for about 40 minutes. And then I'm gonna cut it and let y'all see what it looks like when it's cut and on the plate. I think I'm gonna do some corn on the cob. I'm about to get that on right now. And some garlic bread. So, that is it, guys. It looks so good. I'm sure it's gonna be good. But I'll show y'all what it looks like in 40 minutes. Alright. So I just added some of my steak seasoning that I told you I put on everything. My black pepper and some salt. And I'm gonna add some butter in just a second. So that's all I put in. Oh, and sugar. I add sugar to my corn too, so to make it a little sweeter. And that's it. That's what I do to my corn. And my garlic bread, I'll show you how to do it too. Alright. So y'all, this is how I'm doing my garlic bread. This is butter, garlic, and parsley. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do to my bread. So let's go. Hold on. I'm gonna slice this in half, y'all. Just like that. Slice this in half. Like that. And I'm gonna slather some mayo on this side. So we're just gonna put a little thin layer of mayo. Not too thin. Well, yeah, a nice little coat of mayo on it. Do this one the same. Nice little slather of mayo. We're gonna lay it right in that butter. And I'm gonna show y'all. I lay my bread right down, face down in the butter. It's so soft, y'all. So I soak up all that garlic, all that butter. And I'm just gonna cut these into 3 pieces. I'm gonna have 1 piece of little bread. I'm gonna cut each one into 3 pieces. So we're gonna have 3 pieces of bread and our casserole and corn. So be right back. Show y'all what it looks like when I'm finished. Alright. So we letting it soak up on that side, y'all. Y'all see the mayo? I'm gonna turn it back over again. And it's gonna be right after that toast. So I'm gonna let the back side toast and then soak up the butter. And then I'm gonna turn it over and let it soak up some more. Show y'all the finished touch in just a minute. So we toasted that side. It's all good though. And I'm just gonna let the other side toast up a little bit and it's gonna be ready. And I'll show y'all my finished plate when I cut into this casserole. Alright, be back.